Struggling with valuations that swing between dream list optimism and fire sale panic? You're not alone. Overpriced homes sit unsold. Underpriced deals bleed commissions, and outdated comps make clients question your expertise. The Property Valuation Pack crushes these pain points with AI powered comparable analysis using granular filters like square footage variance and days on market decay rates, live updating trend dashboards with zip code level absorption curves, pro forma grade income approach calculators for cap rate modeling, and appraisal review checklists aligned with Fannie Mae's latest guidelines. Whether you're a rookie agent sweating your first listing, a broker managing a portfolio, or a luxury specialist juggling offshore investors, this pack turns chaos into confidence. Valuations so sharp, your clients will think you've got a crystal ball. Here's what's inside of the Property Valuation Pack: data normalization workflows to clean, messy MLS exports, comparable selection engines with geospatial clustering, income approach modules for NOI stress testing, appraisal compliance checkers with red flag triggers, and trend visualization tools plotting absorption versus inventory. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. From raw data to final report, we've automated the boring parts so you can focus on deals, not spreadsheets. Installing the Property Valuation Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add property-valuation-pack. That's it. You'll get the entire workflow: 18 pre-built modules, 500 plus test cases, and 20 customizable valuation templates. Your next Claude Code session automatically recognizes the pack, and your AI assistant gains superpowers: instant comp analysis, cap rate math, and appraisal loophole detection. No clunky integrations, no subscription traps, just pure valuation velocity. Ready to price properties like a Fortune 500 algorithm? Your credibility upgrade is one click away.